good track, so put your hours in. Okay, let's hit the treadmills. Come on, show me what you got.
Wow, pretty fast. Who's the racer?
No. She's not a racer. She's a trainer. Cruz Ramirez, the best trainer in the business.
Oh, hey, 35 mile per hour pit speed.
I knew that.
And how far back is she now?
Look behind you.
What?
Good evening, Storm.
How did you...
Just back here drafting on your butt. Nothing to be concerned about.
Like 2 June bugs on a summer night.
Cruz, get out of there.
You don't belong on this track!